Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start inside settings because guided access lives under accessibility. Open accessibility, then tap guided access and flip it on. This lets your iPhone restrict to one app. Next, choose passcode settings to set a 4 or 6-digit code or enable Face ID. This prevents accidental exits. Once done, make sure the shortcut is enabled so you can start guided access quickly from the side button or control center. You begin a session by opening the app you want to lock and then triple pressing the side button or tapping guided access in control center. This triggers setup. Draw on the screen to outline areas you want to disable and use the options button to toggle touch, motion, keyboards, or time limit. Once configured, tap start. The phone is now confined to that app so accidental navigation or taps won't interrupt the experience. To finish, triple press the side button, authenticate with Face ID or your passcode, then tap End. That restores normal use. If guided access won't end, force restart the iPhone 15, press and quickly release volume up, press and release volume down, then hold side until the Apple logo appears. If options or gestures are missing, return to settings, right arrow accessibility, right arrow guided access to confirm toggles and passcode settings are correct.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.